The AI revolution. Will 80% of customer support jobs vanish? Are you ready for a seismic shift in the job market? Artificial intelligence is poised to revolutionize customer support, and the implications are massive. Let's dive into how AI is changing the game and what it means for your career. AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's a present-day reality transforming industries. Customer support is one of the first and most significantly impacted areas. AI-powered tools are becoming increasingly sophisticated, capable of handling a wide range of customer inquiries. Chatbots are leading the charge, providing instant responses and resolving common issues. These bots are available 24/7, offering unparalleled convenience for customers. They can answer frequently asked questions, guide users through troubleshooting steps, and even process simple transactions. AI algorithms are also improving sentiment analysis, allowing systems to understand customer emotions. This enables them to tailor responses and escalate complex issues to human agents. The result is faster, more efficient, and more personalized customer service. The potential for 80% automation in customer support stems from several key factors. AI excels at repetitive tasks, freeing up human agents to focus on more complex and nuanced issues. This dramatically increases efficiency and reduces operational costs. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and predict customer needs. This proactive approach allows businesses to anticipate problems and offer solutions before customers even realize they exist. This level of personalization is simply not possible with traditional methods. Furthermore, AI-powered systems are constantly learning and improving. Machine learning algorithms allow them to adapt to new situations and refine their responses over time. This means that AI's capabilities will only continue to expand, further automating customer support tasks. While the prospect of 80% automation may sound alarming, it doesn't necessarily mean the end of human agents. Instead, it signals a shift in the roles and responsibilities of customer support professionals. The focus will move towards handling complex issues that require empathy, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills. Human agents will become more like AI supervisors, overseeing the performance of AI systems and intervening when necessary. They will also be responsible for training AI models and ensuring that they align with company values and customer expectations. This requires a new set of skills and a different approach to customer service. The key is to embrace lifelong learning and adapt to the changing demands of the job market. Developing skills in areas such as AI training, data analysis, and complex problem solving will be crucial for success. Those who can work effectively alongside AI will be in high demand. So how can you prepare for this AI-driven future? Start by understanding the capabilities and limitations of AI in customer support. Familiarize yourself with the tools and technologies that are being used to automate customer interactions. Invest in training and development to acquire the skills that will be most valuable in the future. Focus on areas such as data analysis, AI training, and complex problem solving. Develop your communication and interpersonal skills to excel in handling complex customer issues. Network with professionals in the AI and customer support fields to stay informed about the latest trends and opportunities. Attend industry events, join online communities, and connect with experts on social media. The more you know, the better prepared you will be. Despite the potential for job displacement, the AI revolution also presents exciting opportunities. As AI automates routine tasks, new roles will emerge in areas such as AI training, data analysis, and customer experience design. These roles will require a combination of technical skills and human empathy. The demand for professionals who can bridge the gap between AI and human interaction will continue to grow. Those who can effectively manage AI systems, train AI models, and ensure that AI aligns with customer needs will be highly sought after. This is your chance to be at the forefront of a transformative industry. The future of customer support is not about replacing human agents with AI. It's about creating a symbiotic relationship between the two. By embracing AI and developing the skills needed to work alongside it, you can position yourself for success in the evolving job market. The AI revolution is here, and it's transforming customer support as we know it. While 80% automation may seem daunting, it also presents incredible opportunities for those who are willing to adapt and learn. Don't be left behind. Start exploring AI tools, upskill in data analysis and AI training, and network with industry experts. Subscribe to our channel for more insights on AI and the future of work. Download our free guide on future-proofing your customer support career and take the first step towards a successful future in the age of AI.